Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or taking a break, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to explore two important prepositions in English, from and through.
These words are super useful and appear everywhere in English.
Many learners get confused about when to use which one, but we're going to make it crystal clear.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand exactly when and how to use both words.
We're going to explain everything in the simplest, clearest way possible.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English naturally, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's talk all about from and only from.
We'll explain everything about from before we even mention the other word.
So what is from?
From is a preposition that shows the starting point of something.
Think of from as the beginning or the origin.
It answers the question, where does it start? Or where does it come from?
Let's look at all the ways we use from.
Use 1. From shows the starting location or place.
When you want to say where something begins or originates, use from.
I come from Japan. Japan is my starting point, my origin.
The train is from New York. New York is where the train starts.
I come from London. London is my home, my origin.
More examples. This package is from my mother.
The letter came from the bank.
I received a call from my friend.
The smell is coming from the kitchen.
All of these show where something starts or originates.
Use 2. From shows the starting point in time.
When you want to say when something begins, use from.
The store is open from 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is the starting time.
From Monday, I worked. Monday is when the work started.
From today, I will exercise every day. Today is the starting day.
More examples. The meeting starts from 2 p.m.
From next week, I'll be on vacation.
I've been here from morning.
Classes run from September.
From marks the beginning time.
Use 3. From shows distance or range, the starting point.
When measuring distance, from shows where you measure from.
My house is 5 kilometers from the station. The station is the starting point of measurement.
The airport is 30 minutes from here. Here is the starting point.
We live 10 miles from the city center. The city center is the reference point.
More examples. The school is 2 blocks from my home.
The beach is an hour from the hotel.
His office is 5 minutes from the coffee shop.
All showing the starting point of distance.
Use 4. From shows the source or origin of something.
When you want to say where something comes from originally, use from.
I learned this from my teacher.
My teacher is the source.
This information is from the internet.
The internet is the source.
I heard it from a friend.
The friend is the source.
More examples. This idea comes from ancient times.
The recipe is from my grandmother.
I got this advice from a book.
The tradition comes from our culture.
From shows where information or things originate.
Use 5. From shows the material or ingredient something is made of.
When you want to say what something is made from, use from.
Wine is made from grapes. Grapes are the starting material.
Paper is made from trees. Trees are the source material.
This dress is made from silk. Silk is the material.
More examples. Bread is made from flour.
Cheese comes from milk.
This table is made from wood.
Tofu is made from soybeans.
From shows the original material.
Use 6. From shows change or transformation.
When something changes from one state to another, we use from.
The price increased from $10. $10 was the starting price.
He grew from a child into an adult. Child was the starting state.
The color changed from blue. Blue was the original color.
More examples. The temperature dropped from 30 degrees.
She went from being shy to confident.
The company grew from a small startup.
From shows the beginning state before change. Now let's look at common expressions with from.
From time to time means occasionally or sometimes.
I visit my parents from time to time.
From now on means starting now and continuing into the future.
From now on, I will study every day.
From scratch means starting from the very beginning with nothing.
I built this website from scratch.
From head to toe means completely or entirely.
She was dressed in black from head to toe.
From my point of view means in my opinion.
From my point of view, this is the best option.
All these expressions use from to show a starting point.
Let's practice with examples using only from.
I wake up every morning. I check my phone from the moment I open my eyes.
I come from a small town. The town is far from the big city, about 2 hours from here.
From Monday to Friday, I work. I learned my skills from my previous job.
The delicious smell coming from the bakery makes me hungry. Fresh bread is made from flour and water.
From my experience, practice is important. I improved from practicing every day.
Notice how from always shows a starting point of place, time, distance, source, or change.
That's what from means, the beginning or origin of something.
Now you understand from completely.
Let's move on to the other word, through.
Now we'll explain everything about through.
So what is through?
Through is a preposition that shows movement from one side to another or passage within something.
Think of through as going in and then out, or moving across something.
Through answers the question, how did you get there? Or what did you pass inside?
Let's look at all the ways we use through.
Use 1. Through shows movement from one side of something to the other side.
When you enter something and exit on the other side, use through.
I walked through the door. I entered the door and came out the other side.
The train goes through the tunnel. It enters the tunnel and exits on the other side.
Light shines through the window. Light passes from outside, through the glass, to inside.
More examples.
We drove through the city.
Water flows through the pipe.
The cat ran through the yard.
I read through the entire book.
All showing movement from one side to another.
Use 2. Through shows passage inside or within something.
When you're inside something moving around, use through.
We walked through the forest. We were inside the forest, moving within it.
I'm looking through my notes. My eyes are moving within the notes.
She searched through her bag. She looked inside, moving things around.
More examples.
We wandered through the market.
I scrolled through the website.
He flipped through the magazine.
They traveled through Europe.
Through shows being inside while moving.
Use 3. Through shows the method or means of doing something.
When you want to say how something was done, use through.
I learned English through practice. Practice was the method.
We communicate through email. Email is the means.
She succeeded through hard work. Hard work was the way.
More examples.
I found out through a friend.
We met through a dating app.
He improved through dedication.
I heard about it through social media.
Through shows the method or channel.
Use 4. Through shows completion from beginning to end.
When something continues from start to finish, use through.
I read through the whole document, from beginning to end.
We worked through the night, from evening to morning, continuously.
She slept through the movie, the entire duration.
More examples.
I studied through the weekend.
They stayed through the entire concert.
They lived through difficult times.
We talked through the problem.
Through shows the complete duration.
Now let's look at common expressions with through.
Get through means to survive or to finish something difficult.
I got through the exam, or we'll get through this hard time.
Go through means to experience or to examine something.
She went through a lot of pain, or please go through these papers.
See through means to understand someone's lies or to finish something.
I can see through his excuses, or I'll see this project through.
Breakthrough means to overcome a barrier.
She finally broke through to success.
Fall through means to fail to happen.
Our plans fell through.
Let's practice with examples using only through.
Every morning, I walk through the park to get to work. The path goes through beautiful gardens.
I learned this skill through watching videos. Through practice, I got better.
The sunlight comes through my window. Through the glass, I can see the trees.
I searched through all my drawers looking for my keys. Through persistence, I finally found them.
Through the years, this city has changed. I've lived through many seasons here.
Notice how through shows movement across, passage within, method, or duration.
That's what through means, movement across or passage within something.
Now you understand through completely.
Now let's compare from and through to see the differences.
This is important because sometimes both can be used but with different meanings.
From equals starting point. Through equals passage or movement across.
Example 1.
I come from Tokyo. Tokyo is my origin, my starting point.
I traveled through Tokyo. I passed through Tokyo on my way somewhere.
Different meanings.
Example 2.
I come from Tokyo. Tokyo is my origin, my starting point.
The store is open from 9 a.m. 9 is the starting time.
The store is open through the night. It stays open during the entire night. From shows when it starts. Through shows duration.
Example 3.
This letter is from my friend. My friend is the source.
I learned about it through my friend. My friend was the method or channel.
Different roles.
Let's use both in one sentence to show the difference.
The train runs from London through Paris to Rome.
From London, starting point, through Paris, passing through on the way.
I work from Monday through Friday.
From Monday, starting day, through Friday, continuing all the way to Friday.
Water flows from the mountains through the valley.
From the mountains, starting point, through the valley, passing within.
Can you see how different they are?
From is about where something starts. Through is about passage or movement.
Let's practice with a conversation using both.
Good morning. How do you get to work?
I take the train from my home station. The train goes through the city center.
How long does it take from your house?
From door to door, about 40 minutes. The train passes through 3 different neighborhoods.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from a small town. I moved here through a job transfer from my company.
Interesting. How did you learn about this city?
I learned through friends who lived here. They told me everything from the best restaurants to the nicest parks.
What time do you work from?
From 9 to 5, but sometimes I work through lunch if I'm busy.
How do you stay motivated through such long days?
Through coffee mostly, and I take breaks from time to time.
Did you notice the difference?
Every from showed a starting point. From my home, from your house, from a small town.
Every through showed passage or method, through the city, through neighborhoods, through friends.
They have completely different meanings.
Here's a simple test to know which to use.
Ask yourself, am I talking about where something starts?
If yes, use from.
Ask yourself, am I talking about passing through or moving across something?
If yes, use through.
It's that simple.
Let's do quick practice.
I come, blank, Canada. That's from, because Canada is the origin.
We walked blank the forest. That's through because you passed within it.
The bus runs blank downtown, blank the suburbs.
From downtown, starting point, through the suburbs, passing through.
I learned this blank experience.
Through experience because experience is the method.
See how easy it is?
Memory tricks to help you remember.
From has an O. Think of it as the origin or opening point.
Through has THRU in it. Think of going through something.
From equals where you start from.
Through equals what you go through.
Simple.
And here is your challenge.
For the next week, Notice from and through everywhere you see them.
In signs, emails, books, pause and ask, is this a starting point or a passage?
This awareness will train your brain.
You'll start using them correctly without thinking.
Important reminder, even native speakers sometimes use these wrong.
So if you get this right, you're doing great.
The key is to understand the core meaning.
From equals beginning or origin, through equals passage or movement.
Once you understand this, everything else makes sense.
You now have the knowledge to use both correctly.
Be proud of yourself for learning this.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more simple, clear English lessons.
Leave a comment with your own sentence using from or through.
We love seeing you practice.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Keep noticing, keep practicing, keep improving.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.